Imagine stepping outside on a clear night. You tilt your head upward, and above you stretches a glowing river of stars, soft, hazy, endless. That pale band across the sky is our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But far beyond what your eyes can reach, beyond every constellation, beyond the most distant star you've ever seen, something enormous is moving toward us, right now. The Andromeda Galaxy, our massive cosmic neighbor, is racing through space at more than 100 kilometers per second. For decades, scientists believed this meant only one thing: a catastrophic collision, two galaxies slamming together in a violent blaze of gravity and light. But new discoveries are rewriting that ending. And the truth is far stranger, far slower, and far more beautiful. Picture yourself drifting above Earth. Below you, the planet glows blue and fragile, wrapped in thin white clouds. Above you, the Milky Way spills across the darkness like powdered diamonds. Now, zoom out, past our solar system, past the frozen realm of distant comets, past glowing clouds where new stars are being born, until the galaxy itself fills your vision. A colossal spiral of light spinning gently, stretching 100,000 light years across. And then, in the distance, another shape emerges, another spiral, even larger, even heavier, drifting closer with every heartbeat of cosmic time. That is Andromeda, 2.5 million light years away, and closing the gap. For most of modern astronomy, the future seemed unavoidable. In roughly 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda would collide head-on, stars scattered, worlds disturbed, gravity ripping both galaxies apart, a celestial train wreck. But space telescopes like Hubble and Gaia have measured Andromeda's motion with incredible precision, not just how fast it is approaching us, but how it slides sideways through space. And that subtle sideways drift changes everything, instead of one sudden impact. The future may look more like a slow cosmic dance. Two spirals circling, swinging past one another, stretching long streams of stars into glowing arcs across the void, their graceful shapes twisting, blurring, dissolving. Over hundreds of millions of years, human minds struggle with time like that. Entire civilizations rise and vanish in what amounts to a blink. Mountains crumble, oceans reshape continents, species appear and disappear. Yet above it all, galaxies move with quiet patience. When Andromeda draws closer, its gravity will begin tugging at our own. Clouds of gas may collapse and ignite, birthing waves of new stars. The night sky, if anyone is here to witness it, will transform. Constellations will stretch. The familiar glow of the Milky Way will warp into brilliant ribbons of light. Andromeda itself will grow, from a faint smudge, into a massive glowing presence dominating the heavens. Two galaxies filling the sky, locked together. And here's the part most people find surprising. Despite the word collision, space is unimaginably vast. Stars are separated by such enormous distances that direct impacts are unlikely. Our sun probably will never crash into another star. Earth, if it still survives, may simply drift into a new orbit around a newly formed galactic center. Because after billions of years of swirling and merging, the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to become one. Astronomers already have names for this future giant: Milkomeda, or Milkdromeda, a single enormous galaxy glowing softly in the darkness, the final form of a dance that began long before humans ever looked to the sky. But the story doesn't end there. The universe itself is changing. Dark energy is pushing distant galaxies away faster and faster. In the unimaginably far future, the Milky Way and Andromeda, merged into one, may be almost all that remains visible. Every other galaxy will slip beyond the cosmic horizon, their light stretched thin, until it disappears completely, leaving one lonely galaxy drifting inside an ever-expanding ocean of space, a quiet relic of a universe that was once crowded with light. We live at an extraordinary moment in cosmic history, a time when we can still see thousands of galaxies, when we can measure their motion, when we can predict events billions of years before they happen. We are tiny beings, made from the ashes of ancient stars, studying the destiny of galaxies. So tonight, when you step outside and look up at the glowing band arching over your world, remember that river of light is not still. It is traveling. It is moving through space. heading toward a meeting written into the fabric of the universe itself. Somewhere beyond your sight, Andromeda is coming, slowly, silently, inevitably. And if this journey through the cosmos left you feeling small, curious, or filled with wonder, then join us for more stories like this. Subscribe. Keep watching. And above all, keep looking up, because the greatest stories ever told are written in the stars.